horsepower ducks, the gold edition. Now listen, over 1,000 orders placed just from our two-minute presentation at the top of the show. This is the lowest price that we've offered this to you at, and it's sold out in its debut, $39.98. For what? For basically a car vacuum. A vacuum that you can use anywhere around your house to pick up all the crumbs in the utensil drawer. Maybe it's something that you keep in the drawer in the bedroom for those nights when you're eating popcorn in bed. But what's really nice is that it has power, it has suction, it's easy to use, and because it's cute, everybody in the family will run in to grab it. $8 gets it home. V86704 is your item number. Find out why this has been a social media sensation and why you've seen it maybe on the TikTok and all that other stuff. Here at QVC, we're not charging you $59.99, which is the retail value and what people pay for it. We're getting it to you at $39.98 with all of the accessories. So you can now go high and low and in the crevices. You even get that the tube that allows you, that hose, that allows you to get in all those different spaces in your car as well. Megan Elizabeth is here with me to talk to us about it. V86704 is your item number. Megan, I mean, like, could there be a cuter cleanup tool?
Right?
Yeah.
It's so fun. It almost does feel like a toy, but don't be fooled. This has so much power. It's called the horsepower duck for a reason, because she's got the suction, she's got the power. We're giving you all the accessories, as you mentioned, Alberti, and even the C charging cable. So it's great if you want to keep it in your car. You can see here, even next to my favorite car carrier drink that I always have with me. The size comparison, it's amazing. So it's handy, it's lightweight, but the power, like we talked about, is just insane. How it's picking up from all the way back here, that suction, that it just picks up the little messes.
Yeah, everything jumps in.
It does. And it just goes and goes all around the car, the home. I can be a guilty one. My girlfriend Cody out in Wisconsin loves it because she's always like, okay, hide the Lay's potato chips because Megan's coming over and I always have them next to the bed, right? Not anymore, but I used to. And she always used to joke about how many crumbs are in your bed. Well, you can have the duck back now for that kind of thing.
Well, listen, what's really nice is that we have it for you today with the bag as well. We are already busy with this. You know, you'll use this everywhere. My instant, you know, kind of inclination is car vac.
Absolutely.
Right, car vac. Because the thing is that I'm not dragging a big heavy vacuum all the way to the car.
Right.
Maybe I'm not using something that's like, you know, super expensive in the car either because it's too big.
Right.
This is small enough to get in the crevices.
Yep.
To get in all the fine spots, because look at how big it is. I mean, like, that's the size of my hand. It's just a little bit bigger than the size of my hand.
That's amazing.
Right, for real.
Yes.
And it's got a lot of power.
It's got a lot of suction power as well. So you don't have to be afraid with what you're going in to pick up. Maybe it's kids' craft time. My little guy Graydon has one specifically for his building blocks in his room. Have you ever stepped on one of those little building blocks?
It'd break your foot. Yeah.
So to be able to quickly go in and just clean them up, let's even just do some popcorn kernels here, to just go in and know that it's picking them up, cleaning up those quick messes in an easy, effortless way with a ton of power. And yeah, this has a HEPA filter as well, which is
the
so
filter,
great.
right? So it's really easy to open this up.
Yep.
You basically just twist it.
You're just going to twist it. There's a little kind of lineup guidelines there. You're just going to twist it. All you're going to do is set this to the side. Here's that HEPA filter. So all I need to do is pop it out, tap it over a trash can. You can rinse it off as well.
You can rinse it off too?
Yes, you can. You just have to leave it sit out and dry.
Okay.
For at least 24 hours is what they like to recommend to let it fully dry. But it's rinsable and reusable. So then all you have to do is turn those guidelines right back into place, and you're ready to go again to pick up the craft mess.
You know, the best tool is the tool that gets the job done. Also the one that you're going to use.
Yes.
I think that everybody's going to use this because it's not only cute, but it's really efficient. It's easy. It's always at the ready. And here's the other thing, right? It really does get the job done. It's got a lot of power and suction. For $39.98, I've not seen a vacuum at this price point in a very, very long time, if not ever.
Yeah.
And it should be $59.99 at retail. V86704 is your item number. This sold out in its debut, so if you bought it the last time, give us a call. We'd love for you to share your story live on air. Our number is 1-800-395-1601. But Julia Carolee, I know that she is a fan of, tools like this in your kitchen. You actually
Yes, you know I do, but it doesn't look like a duck.
I know, it's so cute. It's
the one
adorable.
that looks like a duck.
And it's so small to just go right into that kitchen drawer, you
right,
know?
and
look at how lightweight it
these
is.
attachments too,
Yes.
get under the refrigerator.
All
those
of the
little
places.
nooks and crannies where Huck will always find a little something.
Well,
he
yes,
should be getting
course.
into.
And you don't want him just eating anything.
And he will.
I know.
And he will. Anything he can get his little
We
sweet
love
on.
you.
Well, listen, Julia and
cute.
myself, we know a thing or two about eating great food.
Yes, we do.
And you've got a great kitchen show
I
happening.
do. I have 4 hours of In the Kitchen with Julia starting in 9 minutes, 8 minutes.
Ooh.
But it's a big show. We have a lot of, I think it's 15 items under 25. Fabio Viviani is going to be there
Oh,
for
I
the
love
full final hour.
Wow.
Yeah, so we're going to be cooking up
do
a
you
storm.
have his chocolate molten?
No, I wish I did.
The best thing in the world. If it's on QVC.com, go buy it.
Beers.
If it's on QVC.com,
Chocolate
get it.
beers.
I was like, what?
Oh my
I
gosh,
have
the best.
one left in my freezer.
Oh, are you
I'm
saving it?
waiting for Valentine's Day.
Oh, 10 seconds done it, but I
Exactly.
don't have them, but they are gorgeous and they are on QVC.com.
All right, so listen,
All right,
we'll
I gotta
see
run.
you.
Yes.
Love you.
Love you.
Love you.
Mwah,
Mwah.
mwah.
I'll see you later.
She's awesome. That's Julia Carolee, friends.
She's so
Listen, over 1,500 orders placed already for our horsepower duck. There you have it
genius.
with the hose attachment.
So there's
That's
the
my
hose,
favorite.
right? That you
Yeah.
have?
There's always the nooks and crannies you can't get to.
Like the keyboard with all the glitter, because I'm a crafter and there's always glitter on my craft keyboard and all the different places. So to be able to get in those nooks and crannies
Right.
and easily, effortlessly just get all the mess around it.
And I can tell you, glitter is 100% the hardest thing in the world to clean.
It sure is.
Because it sticks to
That's
everything.
what we love about it.
That's right.
Do we?
Well, us girls do.
Let us know on social. Do you love glitter? Yay or nay? But it's always those tight little corners that even if your vacuum has those attachments, you're not able to get it.
That's right.
And many
'Cause
times
they're
you
big
just
and
go,
bulky.
"Oh, well,
Yeah.
okay.
All right.
Listen, this is how you keep your space neater, tidier, and it's so convenient for $39.98, and it's going to ship to you for free.
Yeah. And what's really nice is it comes in with a little bag, a little travel bag or
Yep.
something, so you can keep it all contained. This fits in your glove compartment.
Yeah.
Yep, easily.
Right? That's how small this is.
Right.
How many times before you had kids you said, I'll never let them eat in the car? I think my kids eat in the car multiple times a day, and we do too as adults. So you've got to have this, yes, in the car, but I'd keep one in the kitchen.
My
Yeah.
husband's still disillusioned to think that they shouldn't be eating in the car to this day. And I'm like, honey,
You have to feed them.
we're 18 years into this. It ain't stopping anytime soon. So this is where we clean up all those little messes in the car and in the console, and the salt and the dirt and the sand that gets stuck in there, right? All of it. So
All
here's
the way
that
to the edge.
salt that we're in winter time. Look how it's just pulling it in. I mean, it's effortless. There's so much suction power to this that getting that salt, that sand, that dirt, that debris in the car, this is gonna do that job. It's gonna do it quick, it's gonna do it easy, it's gonna do it lightweight, and it's easily rechargeable. So you're not gonna
Yeah.
have to constantly replace batteries. We're gonna give you the charging cord so you can even charge it in the car with your USB-C.
Oh, good point.
So easy to be able to do. And it's even great for the little dog bed messes as well.
Oh yeah, come on over here,
I
because if you're
love.
thinking about dog hair, cat hair, anything that sticks to furniture and fabrics, this actually can take care of it as well. You've got that's
This is the crevice replacement, so super easy to just get in there, clean up all that dog hair all the way around, but then inside, into the crevices of the sofa and the chairs where it's hard to reach. Maybe your normal vacuum doesn't have a crevice tool right now, and you can't get under the refrigerator or in the crevices of the thing or underneath the stove. This is a
It's
great
the stove.
little
That's
handy.
my biggest pet.
Oh, I know the stove.
It's the
truly.
first thing. I have a
Yes.
split level house. It's the first thing you see when you walk in the stairs. You have those spots. You have them. Don't let them sit there and just irritate you. Take care of it. And when you have the right tools, you can. Under $40. It's V86704. Shipping. That's it. That's it.
Yeah.
Right, there it
$8.
is.
Oh.
And in the little tracks, the tracks of the windows and the sliding
yes.
doors.
Yeah, and here's what I'll always say, right? I know that you already have the stuff for the big messes.
Yeah.
I know you do.
Yeah,
Right? Of
absolutely.
course you do, because that's the stuff that we think of first.
Right.
Right.
But it's the little messes that'll eat at you every single day, and those little crumbs that are around everywhere, you could pick them up with I want to call him the hungry duck.
The duck.
Quack, quack.
The hungry, because he's eating.
Well, you're not
Get
supposed
it?
to feed the ducks,
I
but
know.
you can feed this duck.
Listen, it's the horsepower duck.
Puns
It's the
for
gold
days.
edition. It comes with all the tools that you're seeing here, including the travel bag. $8 gets it home on Easy Pay. The 86704 is your item number. Pick them up before they're gone because they sold out in their debut. Megan Elizabeth, always a pleasure to have you on
Thank
the
you
show.
for having me.
Thank you. All right, listen, coming up in less than 10 minutes,